Good afternoon. This is Chris with Paragon Inspection, and had something new that I wanted to share today with you guys. As I go out through the process of evaluating a home or a structure's foundation, we're looking for all types of things. We're looking for indicators of stress and movement both inside and outside the house. But one thing that we're looking at are items that may affect the foundation's performance in the future, things that may not be affecting it now but could later on. So on this home, we have a very good example of that. If you look here, you'll see this is where water's been introduced into portions of the foundation. It's gotten to the rebar, and the rebar has actually rusted, expanded, and caused the facing portion of this foundation here to actually chip off and fall away. And if that's not tended to, over time, this rust could continue further into the rebar reinforcement portions of the foundation structure, and it could cause some significant issues. They're really not significant now. This is really more of an eyesore than anything, but it is something that needs to be corrected and taken care of for the future health of this foundation and the structure it supports. So just another tidbit I wanted to share with you. Give us a shout if we can help you with your home inspection. 888-400-2494 or ParagonInspectionTexas.com. Have a great day and take care. Bye.